We guide you through how to use Wise Money Transfer. First, download the Wise app or open the website and sign up using your email. Then complete identity verification by uploading a valid ID because Wise requires this for security. Once your account is ready, tap Send Money and choose the currency you want to send from the currency your receiver will get. Next, add your recipient by entering their bank details, email, or account information depending on their country. After that, type in the amount you want to send and Wise will automatically show you the fees, exchange rate, and estimated delivery time. Double-check all details carefully, especially the recipient information to avoid delays or errors. When everything looks correct, confirm the transfer and choose your payment method such as bank transfer, debit card, or local payment option. Once sent, you can track your transfer in real time inside the app until it reaches the recipients.